Hi, this is Jenny Lu, and in this video we will practice the Yang style Tai Chi 37 form, the first four moves in reverse, so back view, as if you're following me in class. So when you're ready, relax your body. Settle your mind in your lower dantian, lower abdomen. Preparation, V stance. Sinking, rooting, grounding. Take 3 Tai Chi breaths into your lower dantian. And slowly sink the weight to the right leg. Open the left foot. Slowly pour the weight back to the left side. Straighten the right foot, both feet parallel. Softly bend your knees, turning the palms to face back, beginning. Inhale. Draw the hands, exhale. Press energy down to your lower dantian. Ward off left. Remember to pivot the back heel. Ward off right. Hold the ball on the left. And close.